Hi guys, and welcome back to another VLOGOWEEN video. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be working on the beautiful Eva. I think Eva looks gorgeous in videos. She's a nice dark colour. Mind my nails, they are such a mess and all stained and horrible. But I have got a new set that are going on in the next couple of days, so I'm very excited about that. But anyways, today's video, I'm going to use these. What is this again? This is the Frankenweenies. I haven't seen this before. Maybe I could have a watch of this. But I thought I would do these. And what I'm going to do is a really bright background. So I've got these colours. These like reds and oranges. And I'm going to use them on like the background of the nails. I'm really sorry about the clippy cloppy noise. It's just my little puppies running about in the background. So that's what I'm thinking. Have a nice bright background so that we can contrast like these are very black and white, not black and white, but do you know what I mean, like very grey and dull. So I'm not entirely sure which ones I'm going to use, but I'm going to use these colours in the background, and I'm probably going to do a little bit of a marble as well. I think I might even do all the nails marble. Yeah, let's do it. Haven't done marble for so long, so I've got something all over me. So yeah, I'm going to do that. So let's do it. So I'm just getting the cuticle area done first. The orange is quite thin. If you can see, it's quite a see-through kind of orange. Which I did forget about. So the orange is going to be a bit more difficult to see, I think. And then this is a nice bright red, like a deeper, darker red. And then I'm just going to put them where I want them. And then take a detailing brush and I just feel like that is going to have quite a nice... I'm going to put a little bit more of a dark red. That dark red swirls in really nicely. Ooh, yeah, I like it. And then I'm going to give it a flash cure, because what happens is, because you're working quite thick, because you've put, you know, all your blobs and that on, it can tend to pull at the end of the tip if you leave it. So it is best to just give it a really quick flash cure before you move on to your next one. You might be able to get away with doing 2 nails and then a flash cure. So I'm going to go in with that orange at the cuticle area this time. Can you see how sort of see-through the orange is? So what I'm going to actually do, I think, I'll do this one a really quick wash of orange. Because as you can see on this one, there's not much orange in it. I like to do when I do my marbles, I like to kind of, I don't want them all to be the same, if that makes sense. I want them each nail to be a little bit different. So this one I'm going to go heavier with the orange. So I'm just going to give that a really quick flash cure, so we've got kind of a bit of a base. Just because the orange is really quite, it's not as opaque, so it's not as easy to just do it on its own, if that makes sense. So now I'm going to go back in with some more orange. And now that orange is a bit more, stands out a bit more. So I've got plenty of the orange on, and then I'm going to go in a little bit less red. And a little bit of the darker red. We still want my orange to be the strongest colour in this one. You're not even going to get to see this marble, because it's going to be covered in blooming decals, isn't it? But never mind. And then that one is more on the orange side. I'm gonna go straight in with the next one because that one's actually not very, there's not as much product on there. And then I will cure them both after this one. So I'm now going in with a darker red. And the other red. And then the orange. And swirl them together. And then that one's got more of the darker red. I'm gonna give that a quick flash cure. These are really fun and bright. Oh, I love that dark red. This orange genuinely is not the easiest to marble with, and I always forget. I have used it quite a few times, especially over Halloween, and then I just seem to always forget that it's not the best to marble with. Right, and cure. So now I'm going to give it a full cure, and then we're going to be going in with the decals. So I've cured these now, and I've just put my decals in some water. So I've got my decals in the water, and I'm now going to decide where they're going. So I think I have cut one out that's a little bit smaller. I have not seen this movie, you guys, so I don't know anything about these characters, but I've got this little dog thing here. Pop him on there. I'm gonna pop this lady here. Will she fit there? Should put her there. We'll put her on here just because she's got her big cat, and I'm just gonna have them all facing outwards. It's just what I'm feeling. And then I'm going to put this guy on here, whoever he is. Blooming hairs go everywhere, you guys. It does my head in. This is what happens when you've got so many animals. But I love them. They're worth it. Pop him on there. And then this cute little poodle on here. And once I'm sort of happy with the placement, see, these are sticking down better now. Maybe I just need to get rid of all the water. Once I'm happy with the placement, I like to just go in with a little bit of monomer on a brush and just melt around the edges. Just helps it to stick down a bit at the edges and get rid of that line. Just want to be really, really careful that you don't touch the picture much, or you'll end up melting away some of this beautiful picture. And then I am going to top coat. You can use whichever top coat you like, obviously. I'm just going to use my Blue Sky No Wipe because I'm obsessed with no wipes. I would use my Chiara Sky, but I'm saving the Chiara Sky for humans. And I love this one too, so that's the one I'm going to go in with. Oh, he's so cute. I actually want to watch this now, you know. I haven't seen it. But I bet I would, maybe I would like it. I didn't like The Corpse Bride, but having said that, it was a long, long time ago and I would have seen that. I love Nightmare Before Christmas, and I really like Coraline as well, so maybe I should give it a go and see what I think. Gotta be really careful when I been trying to work without the finger separators lately, but it's very difficult to hold the hand because obviously she can't keep her fingers from touching like a client would. So then I'm going to cure it, and this is the finished result. Oh, they're actually really cute. I like the contrast between like the brighter colours and the kind of muted decals. I think they're really cute. I like it. It's really nice if she decided to focus, wouldn't it? I don't know what's going on with this camera at the minute. She's not running a focus for you all. Really good lighting as well. Like the light is shining right on them. But there we go. That's the finished result. If you guys did enjoy this video, please do give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. As I'm filming this, I am getting towards the end of my filming for VLOGOWEEN, and let me tell you guys, it has been hard. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I love you so, so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, also, if you are interested in these decals, the website, www.nailtechnetwork, is all linked down below, and you can get it from there. And these are Queen of Decals. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.